Hi students, today we are going to learn our new point logical connective. In previous lecture we studied statement. And the truth value of a statement. With the help of our previous lecture, student, we can solve the exercise 1.1. Now we study our new point logical connective. First, what is mean by logical connective? The words are used to join two or more statements are called as logical connectives. The words or group of words such as and, or, if, then, if and only if. These words are called as logical connective because these words are used to connect two statements. Important thing is that the words ate, still, but, though are used to join two compound statements. Instead of connective and. Instead of the connective and. If two statements are joined by these logical connectives, then the statement is said to be a compound statement. If two statements are joined by using this logical connective, then these statements are called as a compound statement, and the words like ate, still, but, though are mostly used to join the two statements instead of the connective and. Now next one is compound statement. Compound statement. If two or more statements are joined by using logical connectives, then the statement is called a compound statement. If two or more statements are joined by using any connective like and, or, if, then, if and only, then the statement is called as a compound statement. And single statement, if P and Q are any two statements, then separately P and Q are called substatements. And if these P and Q are joined by using any logical connective, then this statement is said to be a compound statement. Now we will first study our first connective, that is conjunction and. First logical connective is conjunction. The symbol of conjunction is like this. Conjunction, if P and Q are two statements P and Q are any two statements, and if P and Q are joined by using logical connective, and in bracket symbol is like this, and logical connective, and then is called as conjunction. Then P and Q is called as a conjunction. If two or more statements are used to join the connective by using and, then the statement is said to be a conjunction. Here we have to see the truth table for the conjunction, which is very important. Truth table for conjunction. Here we define a truth table for conjunction. First P statement, then Q, and conjunction of P and Q is P and Q conjunction. In first P statement, like T, T, F, F. First two are T and second two are F. In statement Q, write T, F, T, F. And always remember the one thing in conjunction, if both the sub-statement P and Q are true, then the truth value of conjunction is true. That is, if P is true, Q is true, then the truth value of their conjunction is also true. And in other cases, if P is true, Q is false, then it is false. If P is false, Q is true, then the value of truth value is P and Q is F. And both are F, then the value other is also F. In conjunction, please always remember that if both the sub-statements are true, then the truth value of their conjunction is T. Otherwise, in all the cases, this statement is false. Now, we will see example. For example, Patna is a capital of Bihar. Patna is a capital of Bihar, and 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. These are here two statements we have to give one. First one is Patna is a capital of Bihar, and second statement we have to give one, that is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So here first we write P statement is Patna is a capital of Bihar. Patna is a capital of Bihar, and second statement Q is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Here P and Q are two statements. Therefore, the symbolic form is both the statement P and Q are joined by using logical connective, and so its symbolic form is P and Q. But here the first statement P, Patna is a capital of Bihar. All of you know that the statement is true. Therefore, P is true. And also we know that 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Therefore, Q is also true. Therefore, the truth value of P and Q is T, and truth value of Q is also T. And we know that in conjunction, if both the statements are true, then the statement is true. Therefore, truth value of this statement is true. Next example, we will see. Same example we will take here. Patna is a capital of Bihar. Patna is capital of Bihar, and 2 plus 3 not equal to 5, and 2 plus 3 not equal to 5. But we know that Patna is a capital of Bihar, which is a true statement. Here we write P is a true, and 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 is our Q statement, and 2 plus 3 not equal to 5. Therefore, Q statement is false. Therefore, T and value of second statement 2 plus 3 not equal to 5, which is false statement. Therefore, T and F, and we know that in conjunction, if both these statements are true, then the value of conjunction is true. Otherwise, it is false. Therefore, this is a false statement. Therefore, the truth value of this statement, Patna is the capital of Bihar, and 2 plus 3 not equal to 5 is a false statement. Next example. Patna is not a capital of Bihar. Patna is not a capital of Bihar, and 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Again, we consider Patna is capital of Bihar, which is a P statement and which is truth statement. Therefore, Patna is not a capital of Bihar, which is false statement, and 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, which is true statement. Therefore, the truth value is F and T. That is F and T. In conjunction, F and T is false. Therefore, the truth value of this statement is false. Next one example. Patna is not a capital of Bihar. Patna is not a capital of Bihar, and 2 plus 3 not equal to 5. Patna is not a capital of Bihar, and 2 plus 3 not equal to 5. These all statements are false statements. Therefore, symbolically we can write here F and F. And in conjunction, F and F, if both these statements are false, the truth value of conjunction is false. The truth table of conjunction is very important, and remember that in conjunction only two statements are true, then the truth value of table is conjunction is true, otherwise it is false. Next logical connective we will see is a disjunction. Next logical connective is disjunction, and symbol of disjunction is like flip. If P and Q are any two statements, if P or Q are any two statements, and if they are joined by using logical connective or is called as a disjunction. Is called as disjunction. That is, symbolically it is written as P or Q in verbal form P or Q. Now we will see the truth table for the disjunction. Truth table for disjunction. Again we make same table for disjunction. P statement, Q statement, and here we write disjunction of both the statement P or Q. First, in statement P, write T, T, F, F. And in Q statement, write T, F, again T, F. And in the junction, if both the statement are false, then truth value of disjunction is false. Otherwise, all the cases, the disjunction is always true. T and T, T or T is T. T or F is also T. F or T is also T. And this junction, if both the statements are false, then the truth value of statement is false. Now we take one example. Plus 2 is greater than 3, or x plus y bracket square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Here we have to given two statements and which are joined by using the logical connective, or therefore this statement is a disjunction. Therefore first statement is what given here, 3 plus 2 is greater than 3. First statement, 3 plus 2 is greater than 3. And second statement is x plus y square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. First statement, 3 plus 2, that is 5, and which is always greater than 3. Therefore the truth value of statement P is true. Therefore truth value of P is true. And x plus y square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square, which is an identity, therefore which is also true. Therefore truth value of Q is true. Truth value of Q is true. Therefore symbolic form of our statement is symbolic form. P joined by using or, so we write here P or Q, and truth value of statement P is true or as it is, and truth value of again Q statement is also true. And all of you know that if both these statements are true, then their disjunction is also true. Therefore the truth value of our statement is true. Second, 3 plus 2 is less than 3, or we can write 3 plus 2 is greater than, or 3 plus 2 is less than 3, or x plus y bracket square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Here first statement 3 plus 2 is less than 3, which is false statement, and second statement x plus y bracket square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square, which is a mathematical identity which is true. Therefore the truth value of our first statement is false. Symbolically it can be written as truth value of our first statement is F joined by using or, and truth value of our second statement is true. F or T in disjunction, if both the statements are false, then the truth value is false. Here first statement is false and second statement is true. Therefore the truth value is true, that is T. In exam, we have to ask the question, write the following statement in a symbolic form and also write the truth value of the following statement. So we will take one example here. Write the statements in a symbolic form. In symbolic form and write its truth value. Write its truth value. If first one is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 and Mumbai is a capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai is a capital of Maharashtra. First, we write here, what is our P statement? P statement is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Q statement, Mumbai is capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai is a capital of Maharashtra. Therefore, the symbolic form is P and Q. Now we have to write its truth value. First statement 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, which is a correct statement. Therefore, truth value of first statement P is true. Now second statement Q, Mumbai is a capital of Maharashtra. Therefore, Q statement is also true. Therefore, P is true and Q is also true. That is T and T in conjunction. If both statements are true, then the truth value of the statement is true. In exam, we have to write like this. If we have to given two statement, first write P statement, Q statement, then write its symbolic form and check if our statement P and Q are true or it is false. Then choose and T and T, we will get T. Next, 2 plus 3 is equal to mango is a fruit. Mango is a fruit. But potato is a vegetable. Mango is a fruit, but potato is a vegetable. Here our first statement is mango is a fruit. And the Q statement is potato is a vegetable. Therefore, the symbolic form is P and this statement are joined by using connective but this word is used instead of the connective and. Remember that, but the connective is used instead of the connective and, therefore symbolically we can write here P and Q, and the both this statement are true statement. Mango is a fruit and potato is a vegetable. Therefore T and T, which is T. Therefore truth value of this statement is also true. In exam, we have to ask the question for 2 marks. Write the truth value and write it its symbolic form. Third example, we will take x square minus y square is equal to x minus y into x plus y, or x plus y bracket square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. So first statement is what here? P statement is x square minus y square is equal to x minus y into x plus y, and Q statement we have to given here x plus y bracket square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Value of statement P is x square minus y square is equal to x minus y into x minus y, which is true statement, and Q statement, both are identity. Therefore, symbolic form is P, both are joined by using logical connective, or and both P and Q are true statements. Therefore, T or T, and in disjunction, if both the statements are false, then their disjunction is false. Otherwise, it is true. Therefore, T or T is again T. And next connective, third connective, we will see if then. If then. If P and Q are two statements, are any two statements. If P and Q are any two statements, and if they are joined by using logical connective, if then. Third, it is also called as conditional. It is called as a conditional. It is denoted by single arrow. It is denoted by one-sided arrow joined by logical connective. If then the statement is called conditional. Then the statement is called conditional, or it is also called as implication. And denoted by one-sided arrow. That is, symbolically we can write here, if P then Q, that is P implies Q. Write its truth table. Truth table for implication, or it is also called as conditional. Also called as conditional. We will see truth table for the implication or conditional. Again, we make a truth table PQ. P implies Q. Again, T, T, F, F. T, F, T, F. And implication, the value of P implies Q is false when first statement is true and second statement is false. Then the truth value is false. Otherwise, it is true in all cases. If first statement is true and second statement is false, then the truth value of their implication is false. Otherwise, in all the three cases, the statement is true. In all the cases, the statement is true. In implication, if P statement is true and Q statement is false, then value is false. Otherwise it is true in all cases. Otherwise it is true in all the cases. It is true in all the cases. The example of the implication and our next logical connective is if and only if. Logical connective if and only if, and one another logical connective is there, that is negation. It is also called as a not. This can be used in single statement. It can be used to change the truth value of statement by t. If it is t, then it changes to f, and if the value of statement is f, then it changes to t. These all things are taken in next lecture. Thank you.